Okay, final game po tayo yun. Wala yata pumunta. This is your aviation fair, double sa time flying lead po. Sa ating po third game for tonight po tayo. This is brought to you by Fred Denilos and Team LB Sana Padala. Sama na po dyan SPB Ara and PSB Basketball League. This is participating teams filing season number 5, Hub, Oryx, Kabilang Boleros, Airport United, CAS In-Flights, Mechanicals, Sky Team, Freighters, and QR Towers. This is your eliminations and final game for the day po sa ating Friday Night Basketball will be played between Mechanicals and the Sky Team. Both playing dark pala sila ngayon, hindi sila playing white. Playing dark sila ngayon. Yan. Christian Rasmus watching. At pinatay na tayo ng AC. Pambihira yan. Patay na AC. Patay na AC. Iinit na. Of course, ang ating pong thank you pala po sa ating SPB Ara Pool of Referees for maintaining the game in its neat and orderly fashion. Maraming salamat po SPB Ara. Shout out po sa inyo. SPB Ara po yan, Pool of Referees, na pinapanatili po nila po ang laro po malinis at posibleng patas po sa bawat koponan. Ayan. Maraming salamat SPB Ara. At balik po tayo yun. Third and final game na po tayo yun sa ating Friday Night Basketball action na between Mechanicals playing black and dark blue po is playing the Sky Team. At foul kagad ang ginawa po ni Mike. Ano ba yan? Brigana still naka-duty pala. Yung kanyang ikakaparte ng klima po si Rios. Andito lang. Borado 3 points. Borado 3 points. Mike. Medyo underman po ngayon ang Sky Team ha. I think pag nanalo po ang Sky Team ang Mechanicals dito, sementado sila bilang number 8. Mr. Felipe, wala. Felipe muli, 2 points. Ginamitan ng tangka di Felipe, 2 points. Balik tayo. Ito po niya. Ito na. Mr. 24 na walang bola. Number 7 to Mr. Tan. Tan, ini-scale muna ng depensa against Trapal. Arnel Trapal. Yan. Okay, now to Kalma. Ayun, nandun. Bato kagad. Nandun si Tan. Nandun si Mike. Dahuli lang si Mike na ilang segundo. Tan. Okay, Tan. And number 24. Nauhipit ang bola ang bata to Mr. number Borado. Binaba muna. Dinabas muna. Borabo against Trapal. Pops up Tan. Wala. 2 points. That's number 24. 2 points. Chloe, 2 points. Royol, 28. Pops up Royol. Wala. One more time. Nope. Borabo niya. Borado, 2 points. Trapal, Arnel. Trapal, binababa ang bola. Trapal. Royol. Barrels through, wala. Dish of pass, Royol mali. Pops up, 2 points, Royol. Yata pupunta yung mga. Nice patugati Mike, number 4, Mike. Uy, mali. Foul. Number 10 call for the foul. Number 10 called for the foul. Ayun lang, pops up, ayaw. Uy, galing sa labas. Galing ka sa labas, boss. Out of bounds. Announcement po, kinakailangan po as per the management of Aviation Friends dapat sa Flying League po, all teams must pay their dues in full before we start our quarterfinals. Ibig sabihin, alam ko may nakapagbayad na po dyan. Maraming salamat po. Pero, hanggat hindi nakukumpleto po ang dues nyo po, playing sa quota po natin, wala pong quarterfinals po na magaganap. Kaya maraming salamat po. Ito po ay galing po sa pamunuan po ng Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as the Flying League. Maraming salamat po. Our Kurt Chloe, number 24. Pinasa kay Tant, 7-6 po tayo. Ayun lang. Pop sa Borabo. Wala. Binato kagad. Ayun lang, natin si Borabo. Borabo, binababa ang bola, Borabo. And now, Borabo Novitz Tan. Ayun, kay Calma, 2 points. Nice cut by Calma. Royol. Good ball. Hop, stepping on the line. Boss, pakin na nga to. Control mo muna. Oh, control mo muna to. Oh, magsalta ka rito. Oo, ano mo na, may sasab mo na sa akin ha. Oh, ito yung ating si JB mo na po maging commentator.
CR ka ba, sir? Hello, magandang gabi. Christian Saraspe is watching.
Pina-break daw, pwede lumabas.
Remaining time 5 minutes 11 seconds. Score is 9-6 in favor of Mecanicos. First shot number 10. Second shot na pala, sorry. Number 24. Nakanilaw. 2 points. Na, Kuya Joseph. So number 8 na daw po ang Mecanicos, tama ba? So welcome to quarterfinals po sa Mecanicos, pero the last game of their elimination games. Number 4, 2 points. Ay, wala. Likod. Number 17. Tadisic. Number 4. Ay, mahirap pa na ginagawa ni Sir Martin, no?
Hirap din ito.
Sa salita ka na, iigutin mo pa ito, no? Number 24. Lakanilaw. Tama ba? Lakanilaw. Ay, napabalik na po si Sir Man. Number 21 for 3. Briol. Wala. Gusto ko yung ano eh. Sorry Sir Martin, may short throat ako ngayon, pero
bro.
ito.
Siya natin. Thank you. Salamat.
Christian Saraspe is watching.
Sa quarterfinal.
Yan, Christian Seraspo yan. Okay. Ito, maganda. Si Tan tawan, si Tan.
Lemuel Anacleto is watching.
Tan, may tatong Tan.
May tanong si Tan, ayan, from Cash. Ayan.
Tan.
Podcast tayo ngayon, sir.
Podcast tayo. Naka-podcast mo tayo. Tan, ito.
Podcast mode
Tan,
daw.
sa mata
Podcast
ng
mode.
bilang number 1, ano masasabi mo, sir? Number 1 sa pupunan niyo, sir. Number 1 na talaga eh. As of now. Yung deluxe fit talaga, ano masasabi mo? Anong
Alvin Ico is
what
watching.
expecting now sa cast sa quarterfinals?
May quarterfinal naman.
Okay.
Kailangan. Ako lang to,
Okay.
Twice to beat sila. Ito,
As per house rules, as number ng episodes, twice to beat. Number 8 na mga kalabi, twice to beat pa kayo. Possibly yes. Yeah, the looks of it talaga. Pag manalo matalo yata ang
Mechanicals.
is Mechanicals number 8 talaga. Maliban ng may mga madisgrasya kay bukas.
Kasi pag nanalo po yung Towers, magna number 8 sila.
Oh, magkano yun?
Hindi, tinalo ng
Win of the
Mechanicals po
win.
yung
Oh, pero
Towers.
malaki yun. Malaki rin yun.
Hindi, tinalo po nila din yung Towers.
Pero wag lang may madisgrasya yun ang Oo, disgrasya.
Pag na-disgrasya, delikado yun.
Okay, yung disgrasya bilang masilat kayo. Masilat kayo. Yung bilang masilat kayo isa na.
Delikado yung nakakadisgrasya.
Yung silat na sila.
Kailan? Hindi.
Automatic yun.
Automatic number 1 sir.
Okay, na number 2 kayo. Pero may number number 2 yung yung palo nyo.
Hindi po sila
Maging 8-2. Maging 8-2. Sino yung 8-2 na may
Wala na.
8-2 din po kami
Nakatalo
pero tinalo
tayo.
na.
Wala pa rin. Win over another pa rin. One pa rin Pero as number 1, what you're looking for talaga bilang Mr. Tan, one sa mga gwapings ng pass.
Canton Tan Connection.
Ano masasabi mo sa papasok na
Saan?
Papasok sa quarterfinal. Chill lang. Ito nakakatawa rito eh. Sa ligang labas, mga kampi kayo, pero dito halos kayo
Yan ang mga magandang abangan nila ang semis sa July ng
Yes, yeah.
UFBL, ayun.
Oh, yan. Grupo ni Udal ng kalaban yun.
Sir, no
31
show.
ba? 31 ba yung
Fusion, sinodal yan.
Qatar Airways.
Yan, si Alvin Ico. Yan, Alvin Ico is watching.
Alvin Ico is watching.
Main man ng ng cabin line.
Sir, alis na po kami doon.
Sige, ayan.
Sir, salamat po.
Mag-iinuman pa yata tayo. Sige na.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat, Idol.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Idol. Okay, balik po tayo po. Yan po ang ating yung ating nasa podcast po natin ngayon. Maraming salamat kay Babagay, kay Tan, of course, kay Joseph Carmona. And of course, Dicey, I will believe po, we're seeing now a very, very, very exciting laglagang portion po sa ligang ito. Marami po maraming mga ups and downs po And we're unexpected po talaga na talagang maraming yung mga tabla-tabla, di ba? Win over the another. Still, Cash pa rin po prevails po sa as number 1 po talaga. And of course, I think by the house rules yata, Cash will enjoy twice to beat advantage as number 1 against number 8. And number 8 po is still yet to be decided po. Could be Mechanicals or 2R Towers. Depende pa rin po yan. We'll see po. We'll see po yan po. Ito, yung cabin line, out of the blue, umariba ng cabin line. Thanks daw, okay. Ayan nga, limutan, 20, Talisik, 2 points, Talisik. A minute and 19 remaining, out of bounds. Balik City Mambola. Rosariola. Boss Ariola. Balik tayo, punoy tayo yun. Limutan, inbounding. Capiroso. No! Oh no. Wrong. 14-12 po tayo yun. 14-12. It's 14-12 po tayo yun, mga boss. Boss Mike. Boss Mike, binababa ang ball ni Boss Mike. Alvin Ico's watching. Yung main man ng cabin line. Mike again. Wala. And wala talaga, walang kawala. Two points, number 98. Binatong bola. Uy! Out of bounds. Foreign object. Tandaan po natin po, pag tumama po ang bola po sa alambre, foreign object po yan, out of bounds. Laki nila out. Okay, that's it. After first quarter, tablados po tayo at 14. Maraming salamat po. Standby po tayo po sa second quarter action. Wala na, infested siya ng sea lice. Patay ng isda niya. Patay ng isda niya. Makunat yun eh. Buhay pa pero infested din siya ng sea lice. Kukong dagat. Okay, balik tayo ngayon. Second quarter action. Second quarter action na po tayo ngayon. White ball. Felipe Bryle. No good. Bravo. Nandun lang. Bryle. Disho pass kay Riol. Nope, it's Lacanilaw. Wala. Bryle 3 points. Ouch. Okay, Kalma, second shot. 1470 po, lamang pa rin po ang Sky Team. Pasok kay Kalma ang bola. Kalma, pasok. 1670 po tayo. Lamang pa rin po ang Sky Team by 1 point. At 8:31 remaining. Second quarter action. Pops up laki nila. Pasok. Nothing but net. Grabe. Nice one. Bangs it in. Nope. Out of bounds. White ball. Again, 3 points again. Again, Bryle. Yun lang, hindi natapos. Bryle 2 points. Okay, balik tayo po ngayon. Okay, 16-25, a 9-point advantage being enjoyed by ano natin yan? Airport, again, by Sky Team over, ano po natin yan? Over Mechanicos. Pops up Tan. Nope. Kalma, 2 points. What happened? Nangyari? Riol for the inbound. Riol, number 28. Now, Tula Kalinaw. Number 24. Kick. Pass kagad. Ang taas. Good ball. Braille. Braille. Labas mo na raw. Braille. 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 Oh! Braille, kapos. Sayang, di natapos si Tan ng bola. Total talaga yung boxing ko na dati. Tapos! Okay. Castro to Mr. Kalma. Kalma nakalusot. Nice pass kay Castro. Yun lang. Foul. Sumabit. Nasabit. Pops up Kalma. No good. Ayun, Tan. Pasok kay Tan. At palit player po tayo. Palit player po tayo after 5 minutes. Palit player na po tayo. Second quarter action po 2020 po tayo yun. A badly need win by Mechanicos to ensure themselves sila po papasok po sa quarterfinals as number 8. Kundi magkakagulo-gulo po. Magkakagulo-gulo po ang number 8 po. Magkakaroon ng tabla-tabla. Win over another po mangyari po dyan. Kaya this is a bad win now for Mechanicos para po makapasok as number 8 sa quarterfinals. Yambao, no good. That's Dex. Yan si Dex po yan, donning its old Sky Team uniform. The traditional sky blue. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by Riol. Buhay kay Riol. Ayun, buhay kay Baklaan. Number 17. Pasa kay Ying. Pasok ang bola kay Ying. Ang boss binito. Foul! Nope. Ying again, Ying, step on the gas. Limutan, no good. Nice one by Trapal. Okay, ito po tayong yun. Eto na. Ying, saan ka pupunta? Baklaan, pops up. Pasok. Baklaan, 2 points. Must win po para sa Mechanicos. Sir, idol. Yes. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. Alex Silas watching. Wala. Meron. Wala. Eto na. Scapple. Help ball situation. No good. Ayun, limutan, malalim. Royol, on the attack. Royol. Ay! Foul. Limutan, 2 points. Trapal, 2 points. Two points.
To learn Kung Fu, my master forced me to wear steel.
Yun lang. Ayan na. Baklaan. Ayun, limutan. 2 points. 30-29. Laman na po ang Mechanicos. Nagmamadali. Dex. Foul. 140 remaining. Dex Yambao, pasok. Second shot. Bakyano. Baklaan ayun, number 7, malalim. Limutan. Foul. Uy, nangyari. Natama. And time out ko by Team Sky Team. Thank you po. Okay. Limutan. Wala. No good. 17, malalim. Royol, naka-rebound. Ayan, Trapal, Anrel. Wala. Walang kawala. 32-30. Mechanicos leading now by 2 points. Royol. Finger roll. Wala. Ying. Good ball. No foul. Laki nila. Out of bounds. 20 seconds remaining, second quarter action. Pops up number 7. Wala. Rebound. Arnel. At wala na po. Halftime po tayo. 32-30 score. Laman po ang The Black Boys Mecanicos. Okay, Trap. Okay, since na medyo konti po ang, alam po natin yan, ang Sky Team, kailangan magbigay po ng free throws ngayon ang Mecanicos. Ayan, okay. Sino? Sino mas marami ba? Sky Team, Mecanicos. Oh, Mecanicos. Okay, 34-30 na po tayo. Oh, Martin Evaristo po, then Arvin G Vlogs naman. After ito, ila-upload natin sa Arvin G Vlogs. YouTube ko. Hindi, Facebook ko ito.
Ano yan? Ano tawag?
Martin Evaristo.
Martin?
Evaristo. Ano? Ha? Evaristo. Okay. Pumapasok yata. Okay. Ilan ang tira? Oh, pwede na, Mekos Ninsan, pwede na. Mekos Ninsan, pwede na. Pwede na po ang Mekos Ninsan. Pinatay ng AC, pambira. Overheat na ako. Okay, 30-24, 9:53 remaining. Sige, balik muli po sa Sky Team ang bola. Pops up, Borabo, no good. Rebound, Black Shirts. Nope, it's Riol. And it's not gonna end, it's next. Yun lang. Bryle, double team, Bryle, double team. Then, Mecanicos needs to win this para makapasok po sa quarterfinals, or else magkakaroon po ng, alam mo na, ng win over another scenarios na naman. Tan bang! Okay, Bryle, number 20. Bryle. Briol barrels through, foul. Hindi napigilan ang power ni Royol. Balik tayo. Bow, Bryle, tapos. Ayan naman tayo. 36 all tayo, 36 all. And now, Kurt Chloe, now to Mr. Calma. Pasok kay Calma ang bola. $38-39, lamang na muli po ang Sky Team. No, Felipe 2 points. Felipe 2 points. Pops up, Calma, pasok. Good boy. Tan Jolens, 2 points. Hoy! Black call for the timeout.
This is the most dangerous problem there ever is. One that young mathematicians have learned not to waste their time on. It's a simple conjecture that not even the world's best mathematicians have been able to. A man accidentally hit an instant moving shelter. Suddenly, falling all by his side, countless silver needles hissed in his hair, pierced his major acupoint. He couldn't move. He could only let the needles roll inside. It felt like countless blocks gnawing at his nerve. Just as he thought the bed right through, the next second, the strange metallic object on his back, the diagram of the heavenly comet body, was into his mind. Until one day, two reckless typewriters opened the old desk drawer. Not the old man, dead had a body with no signs of decay. Excited, they tried to look all the jewels were, but just then, the light here down on bed. The white-haired old man instantly became young. He staggered away. His chamber. It in his soul, he has remembered
Timotang, malalim. Tan, no good. Ayan na naman. Foul! I think Anspo na po yan. That merits an Anspo foul, pero di ba sinasadya pa, pero Anspo foul po yan. Why? Because fast break, pero you hold the jersey ng yung kalaban. Kaya Anspo foul po yan for Castro, pero Anspo foul degree number 1 lang yan. Di siya papalabasin. First degree lang yan, mababang version ng Anspo foul yan. First trapal no good. Ang unang kinakailangan manalo po ng Mexicanos to cement themselves po as number 8 sa Aviation Friendly League, Dabas of Flying League. Kundi magkakaroon po naman ng mga ng tie-up po yun po sa number 8 po. Talagang makikita natin. Makikita natin. And bukas naman, of course, Cocure Towers, must win din yan sa CAS. Hoy! Tan, nagmamadali. Tan, now kay Castro muna. Castro. Tan, pops up. Uy! Hindi na shoot.
Basket for number 28.
Ying.
Well, to shoot. Shot. Well, to shoot. To shoot.
Yambao, 2 points. Yambao 2 points. 3:03 remaining. 45-47. Baklaan number 4. Tan. Baklaan. No good. Rebound Felipe again. Ayan na naman si Arnett Trapal. Yun. Change favor na po tayo. 45-49. Lamang na naman po ang Sky Team. Again. Trapal na naman. Trapal. Uy! Good ball. No foul. Baklaan. Pops up. In and out. Baklaan muli. Walang tao sa Baklaan. No, it's Ying. Wala rin. Foul on Ying. Laki nilaw. Foul by Ying.
Right personal foul.
2:11 remaining. 45-49.
2-11.
Binababa bola. Arnett Trapal. Binababa ang bola. Arnett Trapal ang bola. Ayun. Touch pass. Riol. 2 points. Riol 2 points. Ganun lang. Sabi nila. 20-55. Pag-assist na. A minute 58 remaining. Foul called.
Number 20. First personal foul.
Balik muli po tayo at number 17. Caparoso 17. Baklaan. Pass kay Calma. Be lang. Hindi pumasok. Bryle, 2 points, Bryle. In and out. Pinato na naman. Baklaan, hustle play by Baklaan. Ayan na, Ying na naman, Ying. Ying. Calma. Ying, Tulimotan, pasok! Baklaan, 2 points. Ryle, still completed. Ying pops up, 2 points. And timeout called by Sky Team. Ryle. Laki nila, pops up. Nope. Kalma again, naka-rebound. Kalma again, kalma. Diniretso, kabwala, no foul. Good ball. Castro, foul. Ronnie Dayag, shoutout mga Mechanicos. Yes, sirree. Castro, take 2. 51-53 po tayo. Humahabol po ang Mechanicos again.
Second team foul. Castro, Nicolay, Gabriel. 52.
Castro, second shot to tie the ball game. Pasok! Trapping daw. Ayun lang, trapal. Ayun! 88. Lamang. Kalma, okay. Okay, basket by number 98. Pasok tayo po dyan. Okay, this is your Aviation Friend League, dubbed as the Flying League. First, we'll thank the following sponsors. Team LB Sara ng padala and Trade Eagles. Sampo natin po dyan ang SPB Ara and PSB Basketball League. Ito ba ating mga participating team sa season number 5. This is still a final day for our eliminations. And the final day for this day now sa ating Friday basketball action is now between Sky Team and Mechanicos. Bukas po QR Towers and Cash, and of course, Cabin Line and Freighters. Magandang laban ng puwen po. Mechanicos is a must-win situation po dito to ensure themselves as number 8. As number 8 po kundi magkakaroon pa tayo po ng ng win over denied scenario pa po. Binababa ngayon pong bola po ngayon. Ito na po tayo ngayon. Royol number 20. Royol! Naipit. Naipit po si Riol.
If you want to go downstairs.
I don't want to go downstairs. Thank you. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Binababa ang bola. No good. Riol. 53-57. Lamang na naman ang 4 taming ang Sky Team. Pwede ba ito? Parang lason yata ito. Kawawa. Binabato ko yung alumasag. Okay, again, Mr. Lacanilaw, number 24, shooting for 2. Oh, sorry, shooting for 1. Pasok. Okay, thank you. That's cracking. Kalma, limutan, malakas. Baklaan, wala pa rin. Castro, kalma, pops up, wala. Yata pong, wala yata pumunta.
To check her CCTV footage to see what
Kalma! Yun lang!
she went to check her CCTV
Out of bounds!
when she saw net.
Vice President ngayon, si Yusek Mel Castro, Seafood Roll.
Foul! Referee says it's foul, it's foul. Okay, Limotang shooting for 2. 53-60, laman po ng 7 ang Sky Team over Mechanicos. Limotan shooting for 2. Pops up. Nope. Uy, foul!
Foul number 24.
First shot, Castro, good.
Two identical chocolate bars. One shielded by Nano Pro 70. The other by a standard dark tinted
Pasok! 56-60, alaman po ng 4. Ayan na naman, Riol. Hounded by Calma, Riol, diniretso na, Riol, no good. Tapal, naka-rebound. No good, rebound. Uy!
Foul number 28. Sino foul? Foul number 4. Second personal foul.
Out of bounds.
Second personal foul.
Good ball. Limotan, Tan, tako kapus. Palpal. Limotan, 2 points. Ba't sila galit sa, ano yung ang paksili ka din? Riol, again! Miscommunication. Tan. Baklaan, 2 points, Baklaan. Okay, time up po. Nag-time up po ang Mechanicos. Ay, sorry, ang Sky Team para sa Sky Team kung map dissing out po. The score is 6-all po tayo at 6 minutes remaining. Mechanicos must win for Mechanicos to stay alive po para makapasok po sila as number 8 sa quarterfinals. Yan na po yun. You have to cement this. Kundi, magkakaroon po ng win over the Nado Sinado para sa number 8. Okay? Sige po, balik po tayo.
Isa na lang timeout na white.
One more timeout para sa white po at 6:07 remaining. Ayan na. Laki nilaw. Binababa ang bola. Laki nilaw. Foul!
Foul number 11.
Number 11 called for the foul. That's Calma. Lacanilaw shooting for 2.
Personal foul.
At 5:51 remaining. 6-12 po tayo. Wala.
Kabayan sa Qatar.
66-1. Laman po isa. Calma. 5:45 remaining. Crucial po tayo. Baklaan umatake. Disho pass Castro. Oy! 3-second violation. 3-second violation called on Calma. Sorry. Pap si Daisy. Foul.
Number 11. Third personal foul.
I didn't believe it.
Uy! Traveling ka tong boss. Traveling Arnel. Call for travel.
Wala, wala sa kabila. Finish up.
Nawala ang bola.
Where to shoot? Where to shoot? Where to shoot?
Tan, kapos. Again. Ayun, nice one kay Trapal. Anel Trapal. 2 points. Tatlo. Black team called for the timeout. That's Mechanicos called for the timeout at 4:10 remaining. Sa larong ito at 66 po tayo. Lamang pa rin po ang Sky Team. Sorry, 60 na po tayo yun. Benjo Guerrero. Pugi ito ah.
Nag-isang timeout. Nag-isang timeout. Goal kids. Goal for line.
Baklaan pops up, no good. Rebound, Baklaan again. So it's Calma. Limotan, no good pa rin. Tan, Limotan. Ayun, traveling ka. Not traveling.
What is the shot? There's the shot. Five, the shot.
Yellow ice, twice as thick as Mount Everest, is tall. There is an ocean, not a lake, not a sea, but an ocean with more liquid water than every ocean on Earth combined.
3:21 remaining. Riol. Riol, nope. It's Lacanilaw. Riol again, ipit. Riol, 2 points, Riol. Kalma. Out of foul.
Second team foul. Under 38. First personal foul.
Kalimang.
Project. But in July
One team. Basket.
Good. And one play.
Foul number 8. Time out, one.
Okay, nag-time out muna po. 66-67 po at 2:58 remaining. Kalma, intercepted. Again, malakas. Ayun lang. Sige, mahaba pa yan, mahaba pa yan, mahaba pa yan. Photo finish to, photo finish. Okay, sa muna po, Arnett Trapal, papasok muna para kanino? Kay Bryle. Pahinga muna si Bryle, pahinga muna si Bryle. Binato ang bola. Hoy! Tumama sa alambre na naman. Pag tumama sa alambre, ibig sabihin foreign object yan. Automatic, out of bounds. Foreign object yan, out of bounds yan. Ayan na, limutan, pops up. No good. Rio, naka-rebound. Sayang, hindi na convert. Again, ayan na, Felipe. Build the clock na yata sila. Build the clock muna raw. Slightly milking the clock already. Ayun lang, Felipe! Foul! Mechanicals, please take note, you have to stay alive by winning this ball game. Kundi po, mapupunta po ang number 8 po sa win over the scenario po. Well, Sky Team, of course, kinakailangan natin sila to stay in a good position po naman po sa lower 4 ng ligang ito. Both basket made. 6-6, tatlo. 2:28 remaining.
2 minutes and 25. 69.
2:22 remaining. Ying. Baklaan. Minamadali. Bakla to Ying. Taking 3. Ayaw. Kalma for 3. Pops up. No good. Uy, foul. Foul call. Penalty situation. Mechanicals at 2:02 remaining. 66-69. 4 na po ang foul po ni Ying. Laki nila 24. Shooting for 2. Laki nila 24. Pops up. Wala. Second shot. Laki nila. Jumpers ready po tayo. Jumpers ready. Laki nila. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Both basket. No good. Both basket made. Sorry. Apat. 66-70. Last 2 minutes. Ying. Umatake. Ying. Foul.
Foul number 8.
Felipe called for the foul.
Equal penalty.
Ying shooting for 2. No good. Second shot, jumpers ready. Ayan na. Good ball. Foul. Ball. Bola, sir, bola. Rep, bola po. Bagyong pasahan, di ako kasali rito. And penalty situation na po ang Team Mecanicos. 67-70. 70. 67-70. Kalma. First shot is good. 141 remaining.
Alam ko sinasadya mo eh.
Hindi, pagod na rin. Oh.
141.
Balik tayo. Ayan na naman tayo. Riol nakalusot. Riol foot race. Riol pops up. Bang! Nakabawi si Riol. 69-72. Ngayon lang. Arnett Trapal saving the day for the Sky Team. Lakali na. Ano ko, mali pa. Foul. Ayun, graduate. Ying, graduate. Foul number 0, Ying. Yan na foul ni Ying. Number 0, Ying, 5 personal fouls. Graduate.
Wala nang timeout.
Back to the ball game tayo. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Of course, si Dex Yambao for the must-made free throws to keep them afloat. Out. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumper shot, 69-72 po tayo. Ano, gusto yung overtime? Pwede. No good. Rebound. Hindi, ano yan? Naalog lang yan. Kaya? Dahan-dahan. Okay, I think that's foul again. Okay, Yambao shooting for 2 again. Yambao. Kaliwete rin pala to. First shot made. Daming kaliwete rin pala sa kaliwete. Tapos. Yan po, nakanakaw. Oy, foul again. Kalma called for a foul. I think by the looks of it po talaga, panalo na po ang Sky Team. Improving and cementing its way now as bet sa in a better position. And Mechanicos for sure. Bababa po ng konti. I think magkakaroon, malalaman po bukas po sino po magiging number 8. Nice one, Kalma. Binatukan ng bola kay Tan. Tan, 2 points. Dalawa. Again, baklaan. Nakanilaw. 3 full team. Trapal. Foul. Okay. Number 11, 5 personal fouls. Graduate. Pasok. Tatlo. No good. Rebound. Ayun, trapal. Foul. Ryle. Okay, medyo ito. Sure ball to, stay dito sa free throw. Kaya bumababa na yun. For sure, dalawa bubuslo nito. Dalawa ibubuslo nito, malamang. Okay, both basket made. Okay, Ryle. Kalma. Baklaan. In and out. Ayun na, that's it. That will be it. Foul. I think that will be it for sure. That will be it po. 22 seconds. 5. Okay, pwede pa rin yan unless you know. And Felipe, mas made basket po kay Felipe. Wala. Rebound. Dumulas. Okay, that's it. Safety basket na lang. Laki na lang 3 points. Okay, that's it. They consider ready. Final score 71-76. Winner by 5 points. Team. Alam natin po yan, the Sky Team. Maraming salamat. Bukas po tayo po. May lure po bukas. Thank you very much. 6:30 po na po natin po. Same time, same venue po. Maraming salamat po. See ya!